Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to this channel, then welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So something very exciting is happening today. I'm now currently just on my way to a location, and yeah, got a couple of announcements to make today, so we'll just get straight into it after the intro. So welcome back then guys, how are we all doing? Hope you're all well. As you can see, the weather has definitely changed and coming into the beautiful autumn. Obviously the roads are becoming a lot worse. The roads are becoming a lot slippier, and it's now time to start watching how we ride. Obviously safety first. But one of the biggest announcements we've got to make on this video is, if you follow the social medias, you will have seen that I shared a YouTube channel which is called CC CamFam. So CC CamFam is my son Cameron's YouTube channel. Now, since he's been about 5 years old, he's always wanted one, and me and Kay, we've always turned around and said, when you hit 9, when you hit 9, mainly in the hopes of that it would be okay, yeah, he forgets about it, lets it go, and it never happens. Yeah, kids don't forget, and honestly for about the last 4 years straight he has been going on and on and on and on, and I could keep going on and on and on because that is all he has done to me and Kay. So I'm true to my word, and when he turned 9, me and Kay created a YouTube channel for him. Now obviously me and Kay are going to be running the channel and stuff like that, but mainly wanted to give him a massive shout out because already I've personally sent messages out to people to help subscribe to his channel, and I think within the first 2 weeks he got 40 odd subscribers. Now for a 9-year-old he is over the moon with that. So with that being said, if you do have young children, grandchildren who like watching YouTube, send them over to his channel, and obviously we're trying to get videos out for him, and the kids might enjoy it. But on that note, it's took a toll on this channel, because obviously running 2 channels is a lot harder than what I thought it was going to be. But hey ho, enough of that. What am I doing today? Wow, today I'm heading over to Birmingham because Kaylee has got her module 1 training, but shh, don't tell anybody. So I made a decision after her CBT that we wasn't going to film any of the training and stuff like that, because the added pressure and stuff like that. The CBT was one thing, you know, she's done CBTs before, she was happy to do that on film, but the module 1, it's a little bit different. Obviously a module 2 again will be different. I won't be allowed on the tests, so, and I'm not putting cameras on her. It's just that added pressure that she doesn't need. But I'm on my way over to mainly just see how she's getting on, see if she's doing okay. Obviously she's training on a Suzuki Gladys, I believe. Again, I think it's a 650 bike, but Kay's really struggling because of her height. You know, she's 4 foot nothing, bless her. And I can say that because, like I said, she stopped watching these videos, so I can say she's 4 foot nothing. Obviously, the height of the bike. Now, with bike shopping, that's making things very, very difficult, because there's not many bikes out there that can compensate that. We've got a few in mind, but we shall see where that goes. So guys, I'm going to get over to the test centre. We'll see you there. Here they are. There she is. Okay. Quickly, how do you think it went? Speak up, because the mic's on the inside.
The camera like right in my face. So far so good.
So far so good.
Yeah.
Right, brilliant. Carry on doing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Right. So guys, like I said, I wasn't recording anything of Kay for the fact of I didn't want to add any extra pressure onto her. She's absolutely smashing it, I'm not going to lie. But unfortunately now I can't stay, I've got to get off. Bye bye. But look at this, the sun's come out to play, and I'm not even getting a chance to play on it. No, so in summary then of this quick video, Kaylee's doing her module 1 training, and from what I've just watched, I didn't want to watch it. I didn't want to be there to add any pressure on her or anything like that, but she settled her nerves and she smashed that training. She's going to run through it again 1 or 2 more times. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Yeah, she's going to run through it 1 or 2 more times, hopefully. But her confidence levels have shot through the roof. She was very anxious about it because of the weight of the bike and all of that sort of stuff. I think she finds that when she's riding the bike perfectly, you know, normally, there's no issues. It's the slow manoeuvre and stuff that is affecting her. That'll do. Bloody gone warm. I've put all the thermal layers back in my kit. Jesus. So guys, in summary of this video, hopefully it's only a little short and sweet video. Cameron has got his YouTube channel, CC Cam Fam. Obviously it is his channel, but we're all going to be involved in it. Myself, Kay, his brother Taylor, and obviously Cameron. It's going to have things on there for gaming, family, days out, all that sort of stuff. So I will leave a link to his channel in the description down below. All of us here at Cartswheels would love for you to head over to that channel and subscribe to it. And also Kaylee's Module 1 training, which from what I've just seen, she's smashing it. If she keeps that confidence, she'll smash her Module 1 with no dramas whatsoever. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this one. There's not been much to see, it's just been me talking, but I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you stay safe, and I hope to see you out there. Take it easy guys.